Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install and set up your Sony Sound Connection app for Sony WH-CH520 headphones. So first, go to Google Play Store and download the application. That's it. Once you open the application, agree to the terms and press start, and then connect your headphones. So press the power button and wait until the blue lamp is blinking. It means we are in pair mode. So agree and proceed. One more time, agree and proceed. Agree and start using. We agree to everything. Allow, and then press next. You don't have to read anything, and choose your device from the device list. We have only one device here. Allow connection, and we are almost done. Press OK. You can sign into your Sony account later or create one if you don't have. Continue without restoring. We have nothing to restore here, so just continue. Here, if you see next, press next. If you see later, press later. This is the fastest way to start to listen music. You can set up anything you want later. Go to my device, close everything you don't need, and that's it. We are all set. Our device is set up, and you can use equalizer and more features from Sony, but we will talk in the next video about this. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.